I'm going to start off by showing you the Narayan Cleanser, uplifting and revitalizing for all skin types. This gentle, soap-free cleanser effectively removes dirt, sweat, makeup, and oils without stripping the skin of any necessary moisture. One of the key ingredients in the cleanser is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a light, non-comedogenic oil that is very rich in linoleic acid, a soothing, moisturizing fatty acid, as well as vitamin E, which is a skin-soothing, repairing antioxidant that also protects from premature aging. The second ingredient I want to focus on is calendula, which is pictured here. Calendula is a potent anti-inflammatory that can help reduce redness. It also contains a lot of antioxidant compounds. Lastly, we added citrus and geranium essential oils. These essential oils have potent antibacterial properties, which will definitely be appreciated by those with acne-prone skin. A cleanser should always be used in the evenings to remove a hard day's grime. In the morning, it's optional, totally up to you or to your customer. To use it, make sure the hands are dry, as is the face. 2 or 3 pumps will suffice. Rub it in and massage it into the skin in upward circular motions. Once all the makeup, dirt, sweat, and oils have been broken down by the sunflower oil, you can rinse it all away or use a face cloth to remove it.